Myself, JV and Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I will discuss the principal ideals and ideals of a ring capital R, is called principal of capital R if it is generated by a single element A of capital R, that is small a belongs to capital R, and it is written as S is equal to A, that is to say the set RA plus AS plus MA such that R comma S belongs to capital R and small m belongs to Z is a principal ideals of capital R generated by A. Single element small a belongs to capital R. S is equal to A is equal to RA plus AS plus MA. R comma S belongs to R and small m belongs to Z. Principal ideals ring. A ring for which every ideals of a principal ideal is called the principal ideal ring. The commutative ring are the example of principal ideal rings. Principal ideal domain. An integral domain is called the principal ideal domain if its every ideal is a principal ideals. S is equal to A is a principal ideals and S is equal to NA such that N belongs to Z. S is properly contains in capital R, that is S is subset of R and S is not equal to R. Now the prime ideals. An ideals S of a ring capital R is called a prime ideals of capital R if A comma B belongs to S, that implies A belongs to S or B belongs to S. Notation: if an ideals S of a ring, if an ideals S of a ring capital R is generated by a element A belongs to R, then we write S is equal to A. Similarly, if an element S of a ring capital R is generated by element A comma B belongs to R, then we write S is equal to A comma B in curly brackets. Maximum ideals. Maximal ideals. An ideals S of a ring capital R is called a maximal ideals of capital R if S is properly contained in capital R, that is S is subset of R and S is not equal to R. Second, S dash is an ideals of R. S is subset of S dash, that implies S dash is equal to R or S dash is equal to S. Example of maximal ideals. Consider the ring capital R of integers 2x such that x belongs to Z is equal to 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 and so on, and 0 comma plus minus 3 and so on plus minus 6 comma plus minus 9. Similarly the others. 6 is the subset of 2 and 6 is the subset of 3. If M is the commutative, then say M is equal to AB, then this can be written as M is subset of A and M is subset of B. 3, 5, 7 are the maximal ideals of a ring of integers. Now quiescent ring. Let S be an ideals of a ring capital R. Let R by S denote the family of cosets of S in capital R, that is capital R upon S is equal to S plus A such that A belongs to R. Let S plus A comma S plus B be arbitrary elements of R by S. Define the operation of addition and multiplication on R by S as follows: S plus A plus S plus B is equal to S plus A plus B, and S plus A in second bracket S plus B is equal to S plus AB. Then R by S is a ring with respect to these operations. This ring R comma plus comma dot is called the quiescent ring or factor ring or difference ring. Thank you.